Welcome to Cool Plugins. In this video, I am going to show you how to use timeline layout. Create or open the page on which you want to use timeline layout. Once the page is opened, click on Add Block option and search for Events. Add Event Shortcode block to your page. Under the Select Template setting, change the layout to Timeline Layout. Click on Publish or Update button and view the page. Now to change the layout style, you can change to any of the style given under Style setting. This is how you can use any style or timeline layout to show your events. Thanks for watching the video.